In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to add an experience to your LinkedIn profile. Keeping your experience section updated is important for showcasing your professional background and improving your visibility to recruiters and opportunities. An experience on LinkedIn refers to your current and past job roles. First, go to LinkedIn and sign into your account. Once logged in, head to the top right corner, click on Me, then select View Profile. Next, scroll down to the Experience section. On the right side, you'll see a plus button. Click on it, then select Add Position. Now enter your job details. Start with your job title, for example, Video Editor. LinkedIn may suggest titles as you type. Choose your employment type, such as full-time, part-time, or freelance. Then add your company name. If it appears in the suggestions, select it. If not, you can enter it manually. After that, add your location, for example, London, and choose whether the role was remote, hybrid, or on-site. Then select your start date. If this was a previous job, uncheck the option that says I am currently working in this role and add your end date. If you still work there, leave it checked. You can also add extra details such as industry, job description, headline, and relevant skills. Once you're done, click Save at the bottom right. Your position will now be added to your experience section. And that's it. It's that simple to add experience on LinkedIn. Keeping your profile updated helps you stand out and increases your chances of being noticed. If you found this helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing for more tips.